Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So we're going to talk about why the crypto market is down. I'm sure you're on YouTube trying to figure this out, looking for more information. So I've got a couple of things that are going on here that are in play as it relates to the overall crypto market. But there is some silver lining to this story. Okay, so we're going to end with a positive note, if you will. We're going to start with the bad and then go to the good. All right, so as always, thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos, and of course, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Here we go. Okay, so $670 million worth of Bitcoin orders have been liquidated in the last 24 hours. Okay, so this would seem to be a, oh my God, the sky is falling scenario. All right, so the cryptocurrency market sell-off is continuing. The bears are fundamentally in control. We know they are. And you can look over here on any of these major, any major sites like, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, et cetera, and you can see Bitcoin is currently trading in 54,257 range. Ethereum at 4,000, right there at that, high. It could dip down into the 3,000 range. I mean, down 8%, 9%. Okay, so we got a couple things going on. We've got a pretty significant relative sell-off in Bitcoin that's transpiring, and that just drove the price to 54,000. Okay, so let me see what else I wanted to say. So yeah, okay. So our large liquidation volume usually suggests that the market was previously over leveraged, and in this case, overbought. Okay, back in May, when Bitcoin retraced by more than 50%, traders could see the same liquidation volume after Bitcoin lost even a small part of this value. So my point is, we've been here before. Okay, so it looks like we may have been a little bit overbought, things of that nature. That's kind of scenario number one. Okay. So right here, though, currently the buying volume on exchanges remain low as traders expect Bitcoin to drop further. I just said that. I think that Bitcoin and Ethereum can and will potentially drop further. But here's the silver lining, a little bit of a peak. I think that we are definitely approaching some significantly good buying levels, especially for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other major coins and tokens. Okay, so right here, social sentiment indicators like the fear and greed index are definitely showing us in fear. Again, the smart money, guys, buys when we are in fear. Smart money buys when things are in the red, okay? Look, the market is down 8.4%. So number one, we've had a sell-off in Bitcoin that is propagated and is spilled over into Ethereum. But here's the other major reason that this is happening. By the way, this is impacting the stock market as well, okay? Right here. Most experts expect Bitcoin to fall even deeper, with the greater correlation is showing with the stock market, like I just said. With the further spread of the new Delta COVID variant, there's your second big reason. More countries have implemented various restrictions in order to prevent deaths among their citizens. So we've got a situation here playing out with the new Delta COVID variant that is impacting the overall market, creating a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, a lot of anxiousness kind of on a global scale. Okay. So due to businesses losing the majority of their customers, the economy faces conditions similar to the end of 2019 when the stock market crashed by approximately 30%. Same fears and risks are now being reflected in the crypto market. Okay, that's the bad news. This is the doom and gloom. So these are two major things. Massive sell-off in Bitcoin coupled with Delta COVID variant, things of that nature. And then triple hit, we've got a fear. We're definitely on the fear side of the fear and greed index. We got that playing out. Those three things are kind of a 1, 2, 3 punch. Now, here is a little bit of good news in this scenario. So Bitcoin offers Black Friday deal with sub 55,000 Bitcoin price, just like 2020. Okay, so hear me out. Okay, so basically right here, I want to show you. Remember last Black Friday. So this was Black Friday a year ago, which today is Black Friday. Okay. Bitcoin hit a low on this day, exactly like it. Well, that's what it did. Basically what's happening today was presented itself last year. Okay. That's the bad news part of it. But what happened was Bitcoin rallied right after that Black Friday event. It immediately started to move up. Okay, so the only scenario playing out here is this Delta variant thing going to be a pervasive scenario that keeps people fearful. It's not going to last forever. Okay, it just simply will not. And so I think that at these levels, again, not investing advice, at these levels, we could see Bitcoin drop even further. So if you're thinking about buying some BTC, some Ethereum, or frankly any other coin or token that you're looking at, like maybe Solana or Cardano, XRP, everything, Polkadot, everything is on sale right now, guys. Okay, so why is this market happening? What's happening in the market? I've told you that. The silver lining is Bitcoin has been here before. We always tend to look back at Bitcoin and Ethereum, look back a year or two ago, what happened. And if there's a precedent set from a history standpoint, it's usually good news, because what happened then usually kind of repeats itself, okay? So that's the silver lining that you can take away from this. And again, I'm going to remind you of something, not investing advice. Smart money buys when the market is down, and when it is a major red scenario, that's when the smart money is coming in and buying in, okay? So again, could be a good shopping day. Again, it's Black Friday. All right, guys, with all that said, thank you for your support. Remember, I've got my Patreon links in the description below. Check it out if you're interested, if you want to get in on early buy alerts, new tokens that I'm coming out with, things of that nature. I let my Patreons know first. Additionally, keep it very low, priced at $20. You can join and cancel anytime. Also, I've got a massive Discord community, over 3,000 plus members, great moderators that can help give you customer support, tech support, wallets, and how to buy on exchanges and all this kind of stuff. So if you're looking for some help and not being alone in this journey, check it out. Links in the description below will take you to this page, and you can see all the benefits that you get. All right, have a good one. Go make some money. See you.